This video tutorial will assist you with the assignment of live load in Staad and ETABS. In Staad, once the structure is modeled, the seismic parameters and earthquake load cases are defined and the dead load is assigned. Go to the load page and define the live load case in load case details. Add the live loads. Live load is assigned in the form of a floor load defined as a pressure intensity with a magnitude based on use and occupancy as per IS 875 part 2. So select floor load and specify the pressure intensity. Define the range over which it is to be specified. Cut a section at floor level and use display node to node distance icon to see the range over which it is to be specified. Select one-way distribution depending on the nature of the slab, which is considered as two-way by default if no command for this action is given here. Add the load. The floor load is automatically assigned once the XYZ range is specified. This load is also assigned on the upper stories as specified in the Y range. This can be seen in the whole structure view that it has been assigned on all the stories. Go to live load and similarly define other live loads. The loads so defined are assigned automatically in a similar way. And hence the assignment of live load on the structure is completed.
Once the dead loads have been assigned, we move toward the staircase loads. For making that, we need an additional landing beam in between the floors. To make the landing beam, go to Draw, Snap to Midpoints. Again Draw lines. We choose the property of section and make beams. Now we need to assign loads. For that, use the selection cursor and select the beams on which the loads need to be assigned. Now go to Assign Frame Line Loads Distributed. It is kind of dead load, so remaining the same, and the value is 11. We add to the existing loads, units is kilonewton meter, and giving OK. Now select the beams, go to Assign Frame Line Loads Distributed. It is a dead load and the value is 5.5, which we need to add to the existing load. Click on OK. Once the staircase loads have been assigned, we start assigning the live load. Depending on the utility of the room, IS code has given different slab loads for different rooms. So depending upon the utility, we assign the live loads. For that, select the slabs. Once we have selected the slabs, go on assign, shell, uniform, the kind is live load, kilonewton per meter, add to the existing load in direction of gravity and the value is 2.5. Click on OK. Care should be taken that this should be kept on all stories and not on one story. Similarly, select slabs, go to assign, shell loads, uniform, live load, adding to the existing load, the value is 4 and OK. Since here is the staircase, so no slab load will be provided here. In case the slab load will be shifted to the or diverted to the beams and will be added in form of live load. Select the beams, go to assign, frame line loads, distributed, the type will be live load in gravity direction and the value is 4.5. Then we add OK. After assigning all the loads, we need to provide combinations, which can be either provided using this shortcut or going to define and go load combinations. There are inbuilt load combinations given in ETABS. We can use that or we can modify the properties of all the combinations as per our choice. To add a combination, go to add new combination, give a name, static load, the factor may be 1.5 say, okay, the should be 1.5, add, the dead load, live load is also 1.5, add. This is one of the combinations. Likewise, several other combinations can be made as per the IS code and modifications can be made.